In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Zoho CRM. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the signed document you want to connect with Zoho CRM and click Edit. In the document editor, open the Settings tab, then click Integrations from the left panel. Use the search bar to search for Zoho CRM and select it from the results. Click Authenticate. Then sign in to your Zoho CRM account and authorize Jotform to access your CRM. After the connection is established, choose the Zoho CRM module where you want to send your data, such as leads or contact. Next, map your Jotform Sign fields to the corresponding Zoho CRM fields. Match fields like name, email address, phone number, and any other information you want to sync. If needed, add an optional note for the integration to help identify its purpose. When everything is set up, click Finish or Save to complete the integration. Your signed document data will now automatically sync with your selected Zoho CRM module whenever a document is completed. That's how to integrate Jotform Sign with Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching.